Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video by Unspoken Crime Murders, and the title of the video is Home Depot employee caught red-handed stealing $10,000 in merchandise. Man, what? He probably got to fix his home or something like that. Maybe, who knows? Let's see.
I couldn't get the tag of the truck. This customer comes every day. Everybody knows him. So this is one.
So whenever he come back, you want to press charger on him too?
Yeah. He's out. It's a charger and battery, double pack batteries, 179, 149.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Pon la mano atrás. Pon la mano atrás, te voy a meter un taseazo. Mano atrás, te voy a meter con el taser. Put your hands in the back.
On a beautiful day in Florida, officers responded to a Home Depot theft related to an employee stealing over $10,000 in product in just over a week. The theft included wood, batteries, various construction items, and even a case of candy bars. The employee thought he could outsmart Home Depot by conspiring with his son to walk out of the store without checking his receipt.
It's an internal, an associate that I think he's admitted to stealing like over $6,000 worth of merchandise over a long period of time.
He's here now?
Yeah, he's in the office now with my manager.
When the officers arrived, they were met by loss prevention, who had uncovered the employee's scheme to steal thousands of dollars in merchandise from the store. Loss prevention would explain exactly how the scheme worked.
I have the sergeant detained at the manager's office. I'm walking my way over there now.
Boss man, I'm right outside the office. Here's my manager right here.
Hello, sir. How you doing?
I can show you here real quick.
Sure.
So basically what happened, had a lumber associate, actually the department supervisor, on May 17th, when we first found out. He was actually watching an external.
The department supervisor? Really? Come on, man. That's the thing. As a supervisor, you're supposed to be, they're supposed to be able to trust you a little bit more. You know what I mean? God dang, he worked in lumber and he's the department supervisor? Come on, man.
Going out with merchandise, and saw that the department supervisor was there when he walked out. So I was like, leave him alone. That's weird, because if he's standing there, how come he didn't check receipt and confirm that merchandise was paid for? Yeah. Roll back video and confirm that not only did he let him go out with unpaid merchandise, but he helped him select merchandise. Watched him place power tools in between the lumber, hide it. We have it on video, hide it in between. Let the roll-up door up and let the guy walk out.
Which is not a regular exit. That's an exit just to load up.
Like delivers.
The employee would walk with what appeared to be a customer, load up their cart with high-priced items, and allow his co-conspirator to exit out of a restricted area, getting away with thousands of dollars worth of stolen merchandise at a time.
It's with the same customer. The customer just goes to him, the customer just comes, get a bunch of lumber, puts it on a lumber cart, even branded stuff, gets it off the shelf, places it on the lumber cart, stands there and have a conversation with it. He rolls up the door, he never checks the receipt or anything like that, and lets the guy roll out, puts it in the truck. So after the investigation was completed from Atlanta, they sent me a packet back in color, and unpaid merchandise. So I just finished, he's in the office now, I just finished having a conversation with him. He was giving me, going back and forth, no, I don't remember, I don't know what happened, maybe I was confused. You're not confused, you know the problem, you know the process. He even told me, I didn't know I had to check the receipt, I had a lot of stuff going on at home. We all got stuff on, but we have to follow the process. You can't just let unpaid merchandise out. So he finally admitted, I have a statement here. That's a statement. He still talks about not letting, not checking receipt, it's his mistake. I just let unpaid merchandise for the same customer. One time, yeah. Multiple times, no, it doesn't happen. He checks receipts for other customers when they go out, but this particular customer here.
Come on, bruh. You really hot, bro. You doing it multiple times? Come on, you doing it multiple times? You really trying to get caught. What an idiot, bruh. Dumb.
He was allowing them to go out. So I was trying to get him to admit, hey, Did the guy say, you know, you hook him up? And, you know, he said, well, that he wouldn't admit to, but he admitted to allowing the guy to go out with merchandise. He's been with the company. He's been with the company since 2020, so not that long.
Your name is Victor, right?
Yes, sir.
So, Victor, my question is the follow. Are you guys going to press charges on him? Okay. So let me go grab him because before he take off or whatever, let's go grab him, put him in the car, and then we...
Okay. So we have to terminate him in the system. So
that's fine.
Okay.
That's fine.
You just want to put him in the car?
Yeah, let's put him in the car, and then you terminate it, and we tell him you wanted him trespass too. We trespass him, he cannot come over here again, and that's it.
Yeah.
So I'm going to need a copy of this so I can put it in the report.
Okay.
Let's go grab him. So...
Same customer here. This guy comes every day. He's like a contractor. And this is from corporate. And basically what they did when we sent investigation to them, all they did was confirm with the SKU numbers that's attached to the merchandise. Was the merchandise on the order? Was it paid? And none of this merchandise was actually paid. That was on May 8th. That's him walking out with unpaid merchandise. That's his truck. That's the customer's truck.
You got the tag of the truck?
Nah, when it was turning, I couldn't get it. I couldn't get the tag of the truck. This customer comes every day. Everybody knows him. So this is one.
So whenever he come back, you want to press charges on him too?
Yeah.
You just call us and he's going too. So they have the full package over there.
Yeah. So this here, he's taking brand new merchandise off the shelf and pushing that merchandise out the door. He's standing there. He's the key holder at the door. He just lets the door up. Lets the guy walk out. So that was $1,200 in merchandise. I was here this day on the 17th, him and I both. He takes these out. It's a charger and battery, double pack batteries, $179, $149. He gives it to him, right? He watches him we watch this live.
Thank you.
We watch this live. He takes the batteries and stuff, and right here, he hides it in between the lumber and then stacks more lumber on top of it.
That's the employee.
That's the employee there.
Got it.
So he gives this power tool to this customer. He watches him hide it in between the lumber. And that's him going out with it. Walking out with all that merchandise. I'm paid for it. Again.
Now, my guess is that he's stealing it and selling the stuff, you know, right? Or, yeah, probably stealing it and just to sell it, you know? But, like, is it worth it, though? You've been there since 2020. This video is in 2023. So that's 3 years. You know, it seemed like you know the job pretty well. You know, stable income, you know, probably ain't the best. But there's other ways to make side income than to steal from your employer.
At the door, this is a totally different. I don't even know who this is. This is one that Atlanta found. You got towel, you got a Ryobi pressure washer, some other towel on the bottom. Basically what they did, they just loaded all the stuff up. And he just let him go out the back. And that was a total of $783. And here's the Whopper. He took this out, brand new plywood, and just loaded it. Never came back in with it. We don't know who the hell it is. $3,200 in that.
You got a very nice business going on.
Yeah, he told me he had something going on.
Most likely, there's more to it because
He
knows people and he tells them, "Hey, listen, you send me people and whatever they need, I put them over there and they pay me on the left or whatever."
Yeah.
But anyways, you got the proof, so
Yeah, we got video of all this and everything.
I'm gonna need your information because you're gonna have to show up in court with your phone number and everything, so we can let's grab them.
You want to walk them down or?
Yeah, get ready.
No. I'm gonna get him. He's gonna get arrested anyways.
Okay.
No, early in probably can tell me because
There is no
hiding.
Darian's with HR right now in his office. I can tell him to terminate. Tell him?
Yeah, because that's the Home Depot seat. We have to term him before PD takes him.
Okay.
You want me to call you as soon as?
Yeah.
So
To do this for the same customer over and over again, he's got to be giving me something.
yeah, of course.
It's crazy. And when I watched it live on the 17th, May 17th, we was in the office. I was like, did he watch him hide that product in between there? And I'm like, so that's what he was telling me. Oh, maybe I forget. I never checked receipt.
And he never came to pay nothing. He just walked out in that door in the back of it.
He goes over there with an empty lumber cart. He loads. We watch him load it. He just goes right out. He never goes over here. And his thing is, no, I tell him to go over and pay, but if he don't pay, it's not my fault.
Oh, yeah.
Really? You know you're supposed to check receipts? No. Maybe I forgot. I got a lot of stuff going on in my head. I said, me too. I have to do my job.
So what's that?
That's crazy.
It's crazy, man. About 2 years. And this customer, everybody, all the managers know him. Say, yeah, he comes every day and walks around all day. But I think he just built a relationship with this guy and just took him.
Yeah.
Which is,
So just when you see the other guy, especially he's in the afternoons or whatever, I'm working afternoon, just give us a call and I come over here.
help him out to come and talk to him.
He's Hispanic?
He's Hispanic. To translate. He was giving him pushback. He was like, oh, you're accusing me? And I was like, look, when corporate sends us stuff, they confirm it before they send it to us. That way we're not sitting down in front of an associate not ready to talk about it. They confirm everything. They send it dead on. None of that merchandise is paid for. He's around that same customer go in and out. And they just sent us back. They just sent us back a color packet. That's what the packet looks like. That's how it starts off. That's the amount lost. He gives us a breakdown of the overview, like when you started. That's his name. They give us date by date what merchandise went out.
I ain't gonna lie, Home Depot on point. They on point. They got all that. They put it in a nice packet. All that. What? They not playing. Listen, you ain't gonna be stealing 2x4s over here, man. We not letting it rock, all right?
That's the day I was actually here. I saw that live. So they give us a breakdown of the total, and then they just start giving us, that's his information there. Where he lives. And then basically what went out. They give us a picture of the merchandise.
Done?
Okay.
All right.
So we're at.
No habla español.
Every number.
Hello, sir.
Every number.
How are you? What's your name? Huh? Same, right?
Okay.
All right. Listen, the company want to press charges.
0 to 11.
Okay. So this is what I need you to do. You have any knife or anything on you right now? Don't reach for anything. I'm asking. Do you have anything on you? Yes. Okay. Stand up. Put your hands on the wall.
He's very little English, so I'm not sure.
Oh. Pon las manos en la pared. Arriba. No te vayas a mover, okay? Okay. We're gonna take this off. Se quita. You guys want the teacher?
A picture?
No, the teacher. The teacher is yours? No?
He's fine.
This is yours? Whatever is yours, you want it? IDs?
No.
Nothing? Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. All right, brother. Give me your hand. Dame tu mano. Vírate de espalda. Escúchame lo que te estoy diciendo. Vírate, dame las manos. Te estoy diciendo que te vires y me des la mano. Hey,
¿Por qué está pasando esto?
listen to me. Give me your hand.
Discúlpeme, señor.
Give me your hand.
Vos, pero ¿por qué me
Pon las manos atrás.
Sí, yo no
Pon
hice
las manos atrás, te voy a meter un teizazo.
Por favor, manito.
Pon las manos atrás.
¿Cómo me van a hacer eso?
Pon las manos atrás. Oye, pon las manos atrás, te voy a meter con el taser. Put your hands in the back.
Yeah, look. You don't understand English? We got Espanol for you, man. You gonna learn today, boy. You gonna act right, man. If you don't, hey, listen. If you don't want to do what I say, listen. This is the home of discipline over here. We gonna discipline you, boy. That's a fact. That's a fact. Man, you better do what's going on. Put your hands behind your back. You don't want to do it? All right. You gonna act right, boy. One way or another, we gonna get you to act right. You playing games.
Yo no soy mala persona, no soy.
Ok, mi hermano, vamos para afuera.
Y mis cosas,
Aquí están.
mi teléfono,
¿Dónde está tu teléfono?
en el iPhone que usted me quitó.
¿En el qué?
En el iPhone que usted me
¿Aquí?
quitó. Pero yo quisiera entender primeramente por qué está pasando esto.
Ok,
Yo
te están acusando de robo y vas a ir preso por eso.
Pues no, es que yo no he robado nada.
Ok, bueno, eso lo tienes que probar en la corte, ¿ok?
¿Podría llamarlo ahorita antes de que me lleve, por favor? Porque eso no fue lo que...
Ok, escúchame lo que te estoy diciendo. Ellos hicieron una investigación, ok, y ellos quieren presentar cargos. Tu inocencia la vas a tener que probar en la corte, no aquí. Ok, este no es el momento ahora. Ellos están presentando cargos y yo te estoy arrestando. En estos momentos te estoy diciendo que salgas por la puerta conmigo, ok. No me hagas tener que sacarte. Vamos.
Yo entiendo, señor oficial. Denme un minuto nada más, se lo pido,
Ok,
por favor.
dime.
Pónganse en mi lugar.
Ajá.
Yo soy un trabajador aquí, un supervisor aquí, y ella me llamaba.
Listen. We already explained it to you, all right? You're being charged with theft. You stole. That's it. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. It's done. You ain't got to go to no hospital. None of that. You're done. You're through. You hear me? Just get to walking, man. Let's go. Let's get you to the car and let's get you up out of here, man.
Me sentaron aquí y me acusaron de que alguien salió por la puerta y que él se llevó la mercancía, pero yo es simplemente que yo estuve en la puerta, yo no he sacado nada.
¿Cuál es el trabajo tuyo? Revisar la mercancía que tenga papeles, ¿no?
Correcto.
¿Tú revisaste los papeles?
Yo siempre reviso.
¿Revisaste los papeles? ¿Sí o no?
Siempre reviso.
¿Revisaste los papeles?
Sí, señor.
¿Y por qué no va?
Ese es el detalle de que ellos justamente a mí me están diciendo de que
Bueno, ok, escúchame. Ya ellos quieren presentar los cargos, ¿ok? Tú estás despedido de Home Depot, tú vas a ser traspasado aquí no puedes venir más. Ahora, eso lo vas a tener que probar en la corte, ¿ok? Eso lo vas a tener que probar en la corte, ¿ok? Así que ahora ya tú estás arrestado, estás preso. Ya no hay nada que puedas hacer para quitar eso. Te estoy diciendo que vamos a salir para allá afuera, ¿ok? Vamos para mi carro, te sientas ahí y después te explico cómo es el proceso. Vamos. Aquí tengo tu teléfono y tu cartera. Vamos. Ven. Vamos. Ven. Oye. Vamos, bro, no me vas a jalar. Vamos, papo, camina, no me vas a empujarte, dale.
Dios mío, de verdad. Esto es una injusticia, loco. Es una injusticia, hermano. Yo no he hecho nada y mira cómo me está sacando. De verdad, discúlpenme, pero esto no es correcto. Mucha gente me conoce aquí y sabe lo que estoy haciendo y no es justo lo que me han hecho en la oficina. Me sentaron para hablar conmigo, mire cómo me están sacando.
Ok, eso lo tienes que hablar con tu abogado y defenderlo en la corte.
¿Por qué no me han dejado primero hablar con mi abogado entonces? Yo como ciudadano no merezco ser tratado así, como un delincuente, sacado así de esta manera. No entiendo.
Get in the car, bro.
The man was taken into custody and was quickly released after a few hours. He was given 12 months probation, and 2 others were arrested in connection with this scheme, including his 19-year-old son. Talk about family bonding.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.